Hello guys, welcome to Amit Thinks. In this video, we will learn how to install the current Python version on Windows 10. Let's see. At first, go to the web browser. On Google, type Python and press enter. On pressing enter, the official website is visible, python.org. Click on it. Now the website is visible. Keep the mouse cursor on downloads and the current version is visible, 3.13.0. Click on it to download. Here it is. It's only 26 MB. Right click and click open to begin the installation. Minimize. Now the setup started. I'll first select use admin privileges and I'll also add python.exe to path. Now click customize installation. Here and you can see it will install pip. Pip is a package manager to download, install and manage Python packages and libraries. Keep it as it is. It will also install IDLE. IDLE is an IDE to run Python programs. Keep it as it is and click next. Now you need to select install Python 3.13 for all users and rest keep as it is. It will also add Python to environment variables on its own. Here is your Python path. Click install. Now the installation will start. So guys, we successfully installed Python. Let us now verify the installation. Go to start, type cmd, click open to open the command prompt. Herein type python space hyphen version and press enter. So we successfully installed Python 3.13.0. Now we can run our first program. Go to start, type IDLE. If you remember, we also installed IDLE. Open it. Now herein I'll print something using the print method. Whatever you'll add within this will get printed. I'm adding my name. I'll press enter and Amit Diwan will get printed successfully. Now you can also save it. Go to file, save as. Save it on the desktop, give it any name. Let's say I'll name demo. It will automatically add the .py, that is the Python extension. Click save. Now you can see here is our file demo.py and here is the path. It's on the desktop. So guys, now if you want to learn Python for free, then you can refer the links in the description of this video. I have added a complete Python 5-hour tutorial